Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Mi robot vacuum mop and you need to reset the Wi-Fi on it. Now you might want to reset the Wi-Fi for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues where your mop will not connect to the Wi-Fi network, or if it's not syncing or pairing with the app for some reason, any kind of connection issues like this can very often be fixed by just resetting the Wi-Fi. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this robot up on a new network, or like if you're moving and you want to set it up, anything where you just want to get a fresh start with the network connection, we can go ahead and do this. It's real easy to do. We just want to make sure we have power to our robot, and then we're going to come in and we're going to press the home button and the power button both simultaneously for 3 seconds until it'll actually audio prompt us that once we hold it for 3 seconds, it will say resetting on Wi-Fi and returning to the network configuration setup mode. Once it does that, then we can go ahead and set it up again on a new network.